In this video, we will show you 4 easy high-protein bento boxes that can be made in 10 minutes. The first one is super easy Tsukune bento. Tsukune is a chicken meatball skewered, but here we make a flat, quick version. Super easy Japanese-style pickles will also be introduced. I top my meat with lotus root, but you don't have to. To make short work of it, cut it into thin slices. To prevent the color from darkening, soak them in vinegar water. These daikon make a super quick Japanese-style pickles. Cut this as thin as possible. Instead of daikon, cucumbers can be used. Sprinkle with salt and mix well. Let sit for a few minutes to allow the daikon to release its moisture. Finally, chop the onion. This completes the cutting part. Put onion and ground chicken in a bowl. This is roughly 2 servings. Add potato starch, sake, salt, and grated ginger. Knead well. The purpose is to thoroughly mix the onion, meat, potato starch, and so on. So it does not need to be kneaded that long. Divide it into 2 parts. Squeeze the water out of the daikon well with your hands. I do not add salt because the daikon are still a little salty. And this pickled plum, umeboshi, has a salty taste. If you put in a whole pickled plum, it's too much, so put in a little bit while tearing it off. Do not include seeds. If you use a lot of daikon, you can add 1 piece of pickled plum. Add a little red shiso too. Add rice vinegar and beet sugar. Please use honey instead. Mix well and let the flavor soak in while making the tsukune. Spread oil and heat well. Spread the meat thinly. Spread thinly like this for quicker cooking. The onion will soon become soft and sweet. Wipe off the water from the lotus root and lay it on top of the meat like this. Without this, the meat and onion alone are delicious enough. Also, if you have sesame seeds, you can sprinkle sesame seeds all over here. Cook over medium heat for 2 minutes. Then turn over. Add a little sake or water. Cover and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Let's see if the lotus root is cooked. Reduce heat to low and season to taste. Add sugar, mirin, and soy sauce. Turn over so that both sides are coated with sauce. Use a spatula to cut into pieces that are easy to pack in a bento box. The rice was frozen and heated in the microwave. Allow it to cool slightly before placing the meat on top. The pickles turned out nice. My husband really liked these pickles. This is one of 10 Japanese pickles previously featured on this channel. I'll post a link to that video in the description section. They are all easy and delicious, so please check them out. The tsukune sauce is also a great match for the rice. Next one is salmon with egg sauce bento. coat the salmon with potato starch. Heat a little more oil in a fry pan and cook the salmon when it's hot enough. I thought it would be shorter with the lid on. Cook over medium heat for 3 minutes. While cooking, make a side dish with broccoli. Once cut into small pieces, place in a heat-proof bowl and cook in the microwave. I heated mine at 500 watt for a little over a minute. Wipe off moisture with paper towels. Adding white ground sesame enhances the flavor and at the same time absorbs moisture from the vegetable. It's ideal for packing in bento boxes. Add dried bonito flakes, ponzu sauce, sugar, salt and pepper. If ponzu sauce is not available, soy sauce and rice vinegar can be substituted. Mix well. My husband will happily eat broccoli with this seasoning. Turn the salmon over and make the quick egg sauce while the other side is cooking. Cook the egg in the microwave. I was going to make a hole in the yolk to prevent it from exploding, but it had already collapsed in on itself. Break up the white with chopsticks just in case. This was heated at 500 watt for 2 minutes to get a nice firmness. You want to add mayonnaise after it cools, so break it up and let it cool. As the salmon appears to be done, turn off the heat and season lightly. Add mirin and soy sauce. I use low sodium soy sauce here because Japanese salmon is already salted and salty. For plain salmon, regular soy sauce is fine. Thanks to the potato starch, the sauce gets mixed in with the salmon in a nice way. While the salmon was cooking, the rice was also warmed in the microwave and lightly cooled. Add a little ponzu sauce to the egg and mayonnaise. Mix while breaking up the egg. It's delicious with black pepper to taste. Instead of adding ponzu or soy sauce, just salt and pepper and mayonnaise is fine. Japanese mayonnaise is better. Place the salmon on top of the rice. Stuff with broccoli. And top with as much egg sauce as you like. Next one is fried rice and karaage bento. It's made without a knife and cutting board. You can easily make fried rice in a small fry pan in a few minutes. Before making fried rice, first prepare the karaage. Cut chicken into bite-sized pieces. Chicken can be cut with scissors to reduce washing up. And add miso paste. This can be done with soy sauce, but today we'll give you a bit of a twist. Add sake and grated garlic. I forgot to add a little salt and pepper. Please add some salt and pepper. Once well mixed, allow the flavor to soak in while you make the fried rice. Use scissors to cut ham and green onions for fried rice as well. Fried rice is delicious with just an egg, so if you don't have any at home, you can just add an egg. I bought this iron fry pan recently, so this is first time I have made fried rice in it. I'm worried about getting burnt. Spread oil and heat well. It's better to make beaten eggs, but to save time, crack them in as is. After breaking up the yolk a little, add the cooked rice. It's said to be easier to make with warm rice. So warm up refrigerated or frozen rice thoroughly before using it. Of course, you can also make it with freshly cooked rice. The egg whites are sticking to the pan a bit, but that's okay. After lightly mixing the rice and eggs, add the ham and green onions. Once well mixed, season to taste. Sprinkle salt and pepper. Sprinkle haimi. Haimi contains 3 different flavor components that add more complex flavor. I recommend this because fried rice can be made really tasty just by adding salt and pepper and this. Cold chicken with potato starch. If not, flour can be used. After spreading oil in a fry pan, cook the chicken. A little oil is okay. That way it's easier to clean up afterwards. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. The smaller the chicken, the shorter it will be. So you can cut it with scissors. My husband said the miso and garlic chicken were really good. The combination with fried rice was perfect. Top with lemon and red pickled ginger. The last one is chicken Katsu Bento. Today we will use chicken breast stripes. Remove any tendon from the chicken and sprinkle salt and pepper on both sides of the chicken. It tastes so good when coated with this SMB curry powder. What spices do you like? I like to buy spice mixes overseas as there are not many available in Japan. If you have any recommendations for spice mixes to put on meat, please let me know. Make a batter by mixing flour and water. To shorten the time, eggs are not used. Add water as needed. And if the flour is this firm, it's okay. The key is to add water just a little bit at a time. Once the chicken is coated with batter, coat with panko. Fry in oil for 3 minutes on each side. While frying, make a side dish. I use komatsuna, Japanese master spinach. Unlike spinach, this does not require boiling in hot water to remove the light. So it's an ideal vegetable for short cooking times using the microwave. Carrots can be made very thin with a peeler to make them tender and tasty in a short time. Cook in a 500-watt microwave for about 1.5 minutes. Turn chicken over and fry for about 3 minutes. Meanwhile, the vegetables are seasoned. Wipe off the water before seasoning. This is crab stick. You can add ham or other protein instead. Add ground sesame, soy sauce, sugar, and salt and pepper. With the main dish of chicken cutlet and this delicious side dish, it's the perfect bento. You can make chicken cutlet simply with salt and pepper, but they taste even better if you add curry powder. Insert a leaf-shaped pick into a cherry tomato. Tonkatsu sauce is essential. Which bento do you prefer? Try making it for your own lunch or dinner. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel. If you are already a subscriber and would like to support our channel, please join our membership. Membership feedback will be reflected in content creation. See you in the next video.